Hello everybody, it's me, Freddy, and today I'm here with my best buddy, Shadow Freddy. Say hi, Shadow Freddy. No. Well, we're gonna show you how to cook a yummy egg. Yay! So, come with me to the fridge. Okay, so we just gotta open the fridge and we grab our egg. Okay, so now we got our egg. Oh. Okay, now you come back with your second egg. We gotta go to the oven. Okay, so where's Shadow Freddy? The oven, time to cook in the oven. Yeah. What? Shadow Freddy, what are you doing in the oven? I thought we're cooking in the oven. No. Up here. Ow. So now we gotta grab a pan. So now that you got a pan, we gotta put the egg on the pan. But make sure to add oil. That's right, you gotta add oil. Where's the oil? What? It's just olive oil, I promise. But, oh. Make sure to pay your taxes. Okay, so once you add the oil in the pan, you gotta turn it on. And once you have the oil, you have to add lemonade. Look at that gorgeous meal. No, Shadow Freddy, you're supposed to add salt, not lemonade. My bad. Okay, so once you add the oil and the lemonade, you gotta add the egg. Look at that gorgeous meal. So yummy.
Nice.
Now it's waiting time. How about let's play rock, paper, scissors? Shadow Freddy, we don't even have fingers. We have nubs.
They want me to fight the chicken?
Chicken jockey!
Okay, so after your egg is done cooking, now we gotta add seasoning. For seasoning, you gotta add salt. Salt and pepper? What, you basic? No, we ain't gonna do that, because this is epic. What you're really gonna need is Guy Fieri brown sugar barbecue rub. Shadow Freddy, no, we don't need Guy Fieri barbecue. We need salt and pepper. Oh, yeah. Also, you're gonna need paprika. What are we gonna need? Oh, trust me, we're gonna need paprika. Paprika brings the spice to the party. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There we go. And that's it, guys. We have our egg now. Now it's time to eat. So remember to grab a fork and let's chow down. Freddy. No, that's just a regular fork. We ain't gonna do that. This is extreme, okay? We gotta do the best. Oh, yeah. Shadow Freddy, please, no. Too late. Welcome to the end of the video. We made our scrumptious, yummy, in my tummy egg. So yummy. And guys, if you're worrying about me, don't be, because I got something special for y'all. Okay guys, so we're gonna try to get Freddy outside, and then after that, we're gonna cheese him. Hey Freddy. What, Shadow Freddy? Can we go outside?
Negative.
Pretty please. Fine. Yay! So, why did you want us outside? For this. Cheese! Was that it? Cheese! Shower Freddy, could you please stop? And cheese! Okay, guys, let's go.
I need to go behind a tree because I have to pee. But if somebody sees me,
Cheese!